Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the games to your R368 SD card in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to take your second SD card, which is the SD2 card, and then you need to insert it into your PC. Format it in a compatible file like FAT32 or EXFAT depending on your setup. This ensures that your R36S can read it without any errors. Once formatted, you are ready to add the files in it. Now you need to open your SD card on your computer, and inside it you need to locate or create the folders with the name ROMs or console specific folders. After doing so, you need to copy the game files into the correct folder based on the console type. Proper folder structure is really very important for the games to show up. Now, after doing this, simply insert the SD2 card into your R36S, and after doing so, simply go to the system settings or emulator settings, and you need to switch to ROM directory to SD2. This is going to tell the system to read the games from the second card. After that, refresh or rescan your games list. Finally, you can open your games library and check if the new games appear. If they don't show, you can recheck the folder structure and you can rescan it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.